Hello, my name is Anik Magak. I live in upstate New York. I am an Amazon best-selling author, motivational speaker, and a coach. As an online entrepreneur trying to build my empire in books and speaking and in coaching, one of the biggest challenges that I have personally faced is being able to connect with the right audience and also understanding how the whole online spectrum works. The EBA has been so important in the evolution of my business. The EBA made me realize that although I was going along and feeling pretty successful about where my business was headed, I knew that I was in danger of falling short at a certain point and hitting a plateau because I just didn't have the system and processes in place. The Evolutionary Business Accelerator has made me see this. It also has helped me streamline my business and get much more focused on where I need to grow my business and where it needs to go. Having worked with several coaches that I have personally been disappointed in, which is kind of ironic because I myself am a coach, but on the online sphere and learning the online business, I have been extremely disappointed with most people that I have worked with. I have to say that Lisa and Kim have both exceeded my expectations of coaches. They have gone above and beyond, and I truly feel that they care. They are invested in my business, and they don't really have a reason to be. But I know that when they genuinely say things and that they are looking and listening to what I'm saying and where I am in my business, that they are offering the best advice, and they're just really good people. And I feel that that is just such an important part of building our networks within our businesses. And I just have to say that with the EBA, not only are you going to get two amazing coaches, but also the people that they attract to the community, to their group, to the people who are taking the EBA is amazing. I know that one part of this that people are going to say, I don't know if I should do this. And I know it's probably going to come down to the money because as online entrepreneurs, we have spent, I know I have, spent a lot of money on things that didn't work. I've spent a lot of money on programs that I wasn't ready for and on programs that I thought were something that they actually weren't. Well, I have to say that the EBA was the best decision I've made this year in my business. I know that everything that I've learned and I have already implemented, I'm starting to see the fruits of my labor. So I guarantee you that the investment of this program is worth every single penny that you're going to spend on it.